Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the wrap-in roll-through variant of a reverse lady comb. Knowing how to do a wrap-in roll-through already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do any kind of reverse comb would be helpful. I'll put links in the description below, so if you want to look at that stuff, it's very easy for you to find the clips. But the move on its own looks like this. It's quite a long combination, but it makes sense. You just break the pieces down. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's take it to pieces and go from scratch. It starts exactly like a standard wrap-in roll through. So it's back to 2 hands, coming in side by side, flattening the left, right hand low. We send the lady out. Guys go through, so that's just like a travelling Wurlitzer. Guys are moving across, so we're getting out of the lady's way, so we're ready to wrap the lady in. We go wrap. Guys heading through and resetting up that position as we go roll. The second time we wrap, we're in freestyle, obviously you could do it whenever you want. We're going to wrap, but not at waist height, we're going to wrap at shoulder height. So we come across, lady's spare arm goes underneath so it doesn't get trapped. We're going to pick that spare arm up, and this is where we get our reverse comb. So we immediately go reverse comb as the lady comes through with the right. That hand's going to be useful in a second, so don't let go. The left comes up for a left-handed lady comb. We go hand down on the shoulder because we're going to use that to guide the lady forwards. We're going to use the right hand as well to guide the lady across the back. So guys, we're moving forwards, turning left. We're spinning the lady to her right behind us. Ladies are offering their right. Guys are going to catch in the left and get out of the way to the left so we can finish, because we've got a lot of energy bouncing backwards and forwards, with a travelling return, and we're done. Same thing from this side, and we'll think numbers. So we go back, 2 hands, 1, flat, 2, all the way out and prep, 3. We go wrap, 4, roll, 5, prep, 6, wrap, 7, and we go comb, 8, 1, spin through, 2, catch, 3, travelling return, 4, and we're done. So we're ready to go. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, wrap in, roll through. It's a back, flat, out, wrap, roll, prep, wrap, comb, comb, spin, catch, over, and we're done. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that useful. Hope you enjoy it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so a big thank you to everyone who does that. Notification bell means you get told if a new video comes out, providing you have notifications on your account turned on. Surprising how many people hit a notification bell, never turn it on in their account, so they never get a message. And we have a music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds. So you've got a tune that will be appropriate for you to practice this to. So you've got a bit of music, nice and easy to get to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.